In this video, you'll discover why Seedance 1.0 is rapidly emerging as one of the most powerful and user-friendly AI video generators available today, surpassing even top-tier tools like VEO3 and Kling AI in terms of both quality and accessibility. With Seedance 1.0, you can effortlessly generate highly realistic, visually captivating videos directly from simple text prompts, or even transform your images into dynamic video clips in just a few clicks. The tool supports multiple aspect ratios, making it perfect for creating content tailored to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. Every video you see in this presentation has been entirely generated using Seedance 1.0, showcasing just how powerful and creative this AI truly is. The visuals speak for themselves, each scene bursting with lifelike motion and cinematic detail. Even better, you can start creating all of this completely free. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can start bringing your ideas to life and crafting eye-catching, professional quality videos with ease. Step 1. Creating account. Click on the link given in the description below, and you will come to jxp.com website. First, you need to sign up. You can use Gmail or another email account. Now, here's the cool part. When you register for the very first time, for every new account you'll instantly get 9 free credits. That's enough to create a round for videos completely free. Step 2. Text to video. After signing in, you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface that makes navigation incredibly simple. Let's start by testing the text to video feature to see what this tool can really do. First, I'll paste a detailed text prompt into the prompt box to test the AI capabilities thoroughly. Next, we'll choose an aspect ratio to define our video's dimensions. This tool allows you to create videos in all popular sizes, from TikTok videos and YouTube Shorts to Instagram Reels and more. Since I'm creating a full-length YouTube video, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, we'll pick the video resolution. The tool uses a credit-based system. For 80p requires 2 credits. 720p uses 5 credits and 1080p takes 10 credits to generate a video. The video duration is already set to 5 seconds because the 10-second option is not yet available. Once all the settings are in place, simply click the Generate button. And in a few seconds the output is here. The result is impressive. Based on my prompt, the AI produced a video that looks exceptionally realistic and well aligned with the input description. I've also generated another video using the same prompt, and as you can see, the outcome is remarkably accurate and visually stunning, perfectly matching the theme and tone of the prompt. Now, let's try to generate another video with a new prompt. This time I am entering this detailed prompt that I have prepared with ChatGPT. A photorealistic animated scene of a handsome man employee at KFC, dressed in a red apron, glasses, and a branded hat, standing in front of the store. The man blinks, adjusts its glasses with their hand, then offers the bucket of fried chicken forward. Neon lights flicker in the background, and customers walk past in soft blur. The man slightly nods and gives a slow, confident smile. Keep all other settings unchanged and click the Generate button. The best part about this video generator is its impressive speed. It can create a complete video in under a minute. Here's the result. The video came out exactly as described in the prompt. What makes this even more groundbreaking is that ad agencies can now generate high-quality advertisements effortlessly. There's no need for cameras, shooting setups, or human models. Everything can be created virtually through AI. Now, I will test Seedance 1.0 again with another very detailed prompt. I will read the prompt to you. The camera sweeps through the vibrant cityscape of Cologne, showcasing the iconic Cologne Cathedral with its towering spires against a backdrop of fluffy clouds. Below, the flowing Rhine River glistens under the sun as a riverboat glides smoothly by. The Hohenzollern Bridge, with its intricate ironwork, frames the scene, while the bustling train station stands in the background, hinting at the city's lively spirit. Now, we will click on the Generate video and see what kind of result we get this time according to the prompt. Wow! The Seedance 1.0 model has generated the video exactly as described in the prompt. The city view looks amazing. As we wrote in the prompt, the two towering spires of the cathedral are visible, fluffy clouds and the Rhine River are presenting a very beautiful view. Furthermore, Hohenzollern Bridge are also shown in the video. I have also created these videos using Seedance 1.0 text-to-video tool, and the results turned out to be truly impressive. I am very impressed with the text-to-video quality of this AI video generator, and I am sure you will love it too when you try it. Step 3. Image to Video. In this third step, we'll explore the image to video feature. To begin, upload an image. There's also an option for an end frame, but we'll keep it disabled for this demonstration. Once the image is uploaded, enter your prompt into the prompt box. Then, head to the resolution section and choose 1080p for the video. Finally, click the Generate Video button, and within moments, the video is ready. Wow, this is incredible! Just look at the result. The woman's movements appear so natural, and even the man's motion in the background looks great. Everything is perfectly on point. Let's now upload another image. And for this image, I have entered this simple prompt. Leave all other settings as they are, and click the Generate Video button. After a short wait, our video is ready. Once again, it has produced an impressive video based on our prompt. Just like the text-to-video tool, the image-to-video feature delivers excellent results. Step 4. Text-to-image. In this fourth step, we'll create an image from text. To do this, click on the Dream 4.0 button. This will open a new interface. Under the Text-to-Image tab, enter your prompt into the prompt box. After that, you can choose either 2K or 4K resolution. Next, select the aspect ratio according to your preference, and under Max Images, you can generate up to 15 images at once. Finally, click the Generate button, and this image is in front of us according to our prompt. Click the Download button to save it, and now let's move on to converting it into a video. Now, let's return to the Dream 1.0 page. In the Image to Video section, start by uploading the image we just created. Next, enter our prompt into the prompt box, keep all other settings unchanged, and click the Generate Video button. After a brief wait, our video is ready. The result looks fantastic. It followed the prompt perfectly and turned out truly impressive. Overall, this AI video generator is an incredible tool for creators. It delivers high-quality results in just minutes, whether you're converting text or images into videos. With its fast processing, easy-to-use interface, and impressive accuracy in following prompts, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to create professional videos effortlessly.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up,
like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.